So this is the first iteration of Genie. Over here we have the Raspberry Pi, which the whole thing is running on, and it's connected to this Jabra speaker on the desk over here. And as we can see in this first iteration, Genie is currently constantly transcribing what is being said and awaits for the trigger phrase. So this isn't the most efficient way of doing things, but this is the way that things are working currently until the later patch updates that we're going to run. So here's an example of it working. Hey Genie, turn off my light.
Let me think about that. Turning off light in a boot's room.
So that's one of the filler phrases until it completes the action. So this was an example of us running one of the Lewis intents that we had programmed. But what if an intent isn't matched? This is when it gets parsed to OpenAI and the chat functionality that we've built there. So an example of this would be something like, hey Genie, explain quantum tunneling like I'm a 5-year-old.
Good question. Quantum tunneling is an amazing process that happens when tiny particles have enough energy to move in impossible ways. Imagine a wall with a small window in it. A particle on one side of the wall cannot go through the wall, but if the particle has enough energy, it can pass through the wall like it is teleporting. This process is called quantum tunneling.
Very interesting. And to finish off, hey Genie, turn on my light.
Good question. Turning on light in a boot's room.